Ever heard of black salt, also known as kala namak? This might surprise you, but this unique condiment has some impressive health benefits. Picture this, a salt that's not only tasty but also packed with antioxidants. Yes, you heard right, antioxidants. Those tiny warriors fighting off harmful free radicals in your body. But that's not all. Black salt is a secret weapon for those watching their sodium levels. It has a surprisingly low sodium content compared to regular table salt, making it a healthier choice. Let's dive deeper. Iron, calcium, magnesium. These are just some of the essential minerals found in black salt. Your body needs these to function optimally, to support everything from bone health to nerve function. So next time you're in the kitchen, why not give black salt a try? It's more than just a flavor enhancer. It's a secret ingredient to a healthier you. Loop this video, share the knowledge, and remember, good health is just a pinch of black salt away. This is FitCoach_Tanaji signing off. Stay healthy, stay informed.